Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use high performance on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now you have to simply go to search and search for power options. And from power options, go to choose a power plan. And from here, you can just select high performance if you're selected balance. But if you don't see high performance here, what you need to do is just close this. Then just go ahead and open up CMD. Open up CMD. In here, what you need to do is just type this command. After that, just hit enter. This will show all the power states available in your system. If your low profile mode and power state is turned on, you have to turn it off using this command. Just put this command and hit enter. And after doing it, you just gotta go ahead and restart your PC. And after coming back, you need to put on another command. So for that, just go ahead and open up your CMD. And in your CMD, you need to put this command. And after putting this command and hitting enter, you should go back to your power plan. And you should see high performance here, and you can select this. And that's basically it. And that is how to use high performance on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.